Let's de-shed a Husky. I always pluck the coat just to see how much fur they're really losing, and then we start by getting them wet. I use our de-shedding shampoo, and then scrub it in really well to help loosen the fur. I always use a high-velocity dryer with shampoo in the coat. The shampoo helps glide all the loose coat out. If I did that while the coat was dry and dirty, I would just be blowing that dirt right back onto me. Let's get some cute head scratches, some sassy happy hoodie. And she was doing great, but then she started acting like a husky. So once we got that out of the way, I brushed her coat out and she was all done. But real quick, look at all this fur she lost.